Per Inside EVs, Dongfeng is rolling out a new affordable electric crossover in China, the Nammi 06. It's positioned above the smaller Nammi 01 hatchback and measures about 169 inches long, roughly the same size as a Nissan Kicks. It's expected to start at around $13,800, making it a budget-friendly option in China's competitive market alongside models like the BYD Yuan Up and Geely Yuan. The Nammi 06 will come with a single electric motor producing up to 181 horsepower, but battery details haven't been specified yet. Given that the smaller Nammi 01 offers battery sizes between 29 and 43 kilowatt-hours, the crossover could have something slightly bigger, possibly up to 60 kilowatt-hours. Dongfeng's Nammi sub-brand has been expanding beyond China, with the Nammi 01 already available in select international markets like Singapore. If that trend continues, the Nammi 06 could follow suit, giving global buyers another affordable electric vehicle option. You are listening to Yuan News.